Waters from San Mateo point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywar network of radio operators.
Well, it looks like it was almost a complete test. The only weather radios that did not go off was the Midland WR 100. And this was actually the first time that I actually saw the alert works go off a little bit before the 120051. I don't think you caught that. I don't think you saw it, but I did, so. And once again, the BRK personally WX67 said Tune TV. Yeah, that was actually a really good test. I turned this off because it was getting terrible signal and I let it go, but yeah. Strangely enough, these things did not go off at the 1050 Hz channel, but who cares really? They're both showing the alert, so that's pretty good. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the test. Hopefully you enjoyed. That's it.